Hello guys, welcome to this amazing channel. Today we'll actually be looking at how you can actually start trading cryptocurrency coin on Bybit, and you can also apply this process to any other exchanges of your choice. Okay, so without waste of time, let's quickly go into that. So before you start trading cryptocurrency, you must understand that you will create a verified exchange account. Okay, after you make a choice of that an exchange you want to be using, you need to create a verified exchange account. Okay, but with this I will advise you to create an exchange account like Bybit or Binance, because these are the major centralized exchanges that is being used to trade cryptocurrency coin. Okay, so you're gonna go into check. The first step I'm gonna go into show it to you is create a verified Bybit account. You go to the Bybit, download the app, sign up with your email or phone number, complete your KYC verifications needed for deposit and also withdrawal. Alright, because without this KYC verification, you cannot fund your account, and you cannot also withdraw from your account. Okay, so step 2, as you know, before you can start trading, you must fund your account. That is, your wallet must be funded. You must deposit crypto like USDT, BTC, ETH directly, or any other exchanges that are there directly. Okay, so you must understand that you will fund your account. So how do you fund your account? You can also quickly go to your assets. If you go to the assets, you can click on deposit. Clicking on the deposit, you can make a choice of where you want to deposit through. You want to deposit a crypto, you also want to do a P2P transaction, you can click on this P2P transactions. So clicking on the P2P transaction, it will bring you directly to this very place where you can buy and fund your account safely. So after crossing the step 2, your account is funded. Okay, so after funding your account, you would like to move on to step 3. Step 3 is what is actually learn how to trade. Okay, that is the trading basics. You learn how to do the trading basics. So before risking your money, you must understand the two main ways to trade. Okay, the first way to trade is using the spot trading, and the second way to trade is using the derivative trading. Okay, the spot trading is also buying and selling, buying and holding coin, low risk, and also is good for beginners, because in this place you don't need to risk your fund much like that. Even if you purchase a particular coin using spot trading, the coin will be there even when the volume goes down. Even when the value goes down, the volume must be there. Okay, the volume must be there and your volume must be available. But in derivatives trading, is known as perpetual. It's like a betting price going up, which is the long, and also betting price going down, which is the short. Okay, it's known as the long and the what and the short. So look at what this looks like. So using the spot or the derivatives, okay, this is what it looks like. You can use spot here. Maybe you come to this particular place to buy this particular coin. It's very simple. You can just click on buy. If you click on buy, this is actually spot. Okay, click on buy. You input your volumes, use your total USDT. You can draw this all and click on buy. Okay, so when you buy, you have started trading this particular pep coin for spot trading. And if you want to trade a future trading or perpetual, okay, it's called a future trading or perpetual. You can just go up here. Going to the up here, you're gonna click on the future trading. Okay, you can see in this future trading, it has a leverage. It also has what we call a cross margin. It's always advised you should use the cross margin. No, use the isolated, because the cross margin will always liquidate your available USDT that is in the idle funding wallet. So you must always use the isolation here, and also check your leverage. Your leverage must be 10 or below 10. Okay, don't use too much leverage because it can easily liquidate you. In my next class, I'm going to drop a video that shows you the differences between this short and the long, and also the differences between the spot trading and the future trading. So you stay tuned. Let's go to the next level. So in the step 4, this is where you can now place your first trading. Okay, I'm going to drop those video single by single or each by each, so that you guys will truly understand what it means. So the first step says you're gonna go into, after you fund your account, you know the differences between the spot trading and the future trading, and also you know how to fund your wallet. If your wallet is funded, the next thing you just need to do is to start trading by placing your first trading. Okay, by placing your first trading. So when you place your first trading, you're going to quickly choose the pair of a particular coin you wish to buy, e.g. BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT or any coin of your choice. So after making a choice of the coin, you're going to place your first trade. You're going to select buy, enter the particular amount you wish to trade with, use a limit order so that you cannot get liquidated. If you wanted to set a price or market order to buy instantly or to sell instantly, this is where you use a limit order. I'll also explain a limit, what it means by limit order, in a separate video, so that you can also understand. You can always be following this up bit by bit so that you may fully understand what we're talking about. So step 5 is what we call risk management. So as a crypto trader, you must understand what we call risk management. Okay, because if you don't manage risk, you get liquidated and all your money will be over in your own side. So the first risk management I'm going to mention here is never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Okay, you cannot just take loan and use it to trade crypto. It's very risky to you. And you cannot just trade with like a high money as a starter. Okay, you cannot just trade with like. So the second thing you must check is that you must start with a small amount, like 10 USDT. Okay, do not invest too much. Okay, the next one is that you must not use a high leverage. Okay, as a beginner, avoid it completely. Just avoid even the leverage. Okay, and as a beginner, I don't advise you to trade future trading or perpetual trading because it's highly risky. Okay, so as a beginner also, you must also set your stop loss in order to protect your fund. Otherwise, you'll be liquidated. Okay, step 6, one thing you must know is that you must keep learning. Okay, keep learning the technical analysis, the chart trends, indicators, and what have you. You must also stay updated using the crypto news. And stay tuned here, because always here we'll always be giving an update on particular cryptocurrency coin that is doing well, either surging or declining in the market. Okay, you must also have some tips, the pro tips. You must also have them, like join Bybit testnet, which is using a demo account. You must use those demo accounts. In demo account, there are a lot of free monies there you can use to trade. Okay, you can use free money to trade in demo accounts, so that whenever you get used to it, then you can come back to trade live using your own money. Okay, you must focus on USDT spares, all those stable coins. Okay, that make you learn trading easier. You must build a strategy, being it scalping or swinging. Okay, look at the coin that you can hold a long-term holding or a short-term holding. Use dollar cost average, which is known as DCA, if you just want to invest slowly without stress. Okay, so as you can see, we are going to stop here, like for today. If you do have any question, you can please drop it at the comment